morning children, welcome to math class. How are you all? Yes, I hope you all good and fine. So now in this class we are going to learn new topic. Yes, are you ready? Shall we start? Yes, now here I will draw one thing. So what is this children? Yes, this is pencil. And here I am drawing one more object. So do you know children what is this? Yes, here I draw two pencils. So what is the difference between these two pencils children? This is also pencil and this is also pencil. But what is the difference? Yes, this is shorter pencil and the second one is longer. Okay, shorter and longer. So how we are saying like this is shorter and this is longer children? So when we compare two objects, we can say that which one is smaller and which one is bigger like that. So these are the things we can compare easily. Then how we have to compare the numbers children? We compare the numbers according to its size. So the numbers are different in sizes. No, how we are comparing numbers children? So in PP2 you learn comparing objects like this. Am I correct children? Yes. In PP2 you learn comparing objects like this. Now in grade 1 you are going to learn comparing numbers. Okay. In grade 1 you are going to learn comparing numbers. So how we have to compare numbers? For comparing numbers we are using three symbols. Okay. What are they children? For comparing numbers we are using three symbols. I will show the symbol one by one children. Yes, first this is less than symbol. Okay, what is this children? This is less than. Okay, here I am writing less than. L-E-S-S, less, T-H-E-N, then. It's less than. And second symbol, yes children, this is greater than. Okay, what symbol it is? It's greater than. You have to draw this symbol like this. G-R-E-A-T-A-R, greater, T-H-A-N, then. It's greater than. And third symbol, yes children, this is equals to symbol. Okay, what symbol it is? Equals to. E-Q-U-A-L-S-T-O, 2. It's equals to symbol. Okay. So when we compare two numbers, we have to use these three symbols. First one less than and the second one greater than and this is equals to. Okay. You have to remember these three children, and how we have to use these symbols we will discuss now. First, here I am writing two numbers children, 5 and 7. Okay, 5 and 7. So how we have to use children? When comparing two numbers, you have to observe children. The first number is greater than the second one or less than the second one. 5 and 7. You have to check children. 5 is bigger than 7 or smaller than 7. Okay. You have to check 5 is bigger than 7 or smaller than 7. Yes, you can say children. 5 is bigger or 7 is bigger? Yes children, 7 is bigger. That means 5 is smaller number. Am I correct? Yes, 5 is smaller than 7. Okay, 5 is smaller number. So for smaller, we have to use less than. Okay children, for smaller numbers, we have to use less than. And then second one is, I am using 7 and 5. Okay, 7 and 5. So here we compared 5 and 7, and here also we are comparing same numbers, but first here I wrote number 7 and then I wrote number 5 children. Yes, here you can see, now we have to check children, 7 is bigger than 5 or smaller than 5. Check children, 7 is bigger than 5 or smaller than 5. Yes children, 7 is bigger number. Yes, very good. 7 is bigger number. Okay, for bigger numbers what we have to place? Greater than. Yes, here we have to write greater than. Okay. Next. 6 and 6. Okay, here you have to check this is 6 and this is also 6. So when we compare two numbers, here if the two numbers are same, yes, here 6 and 6, two numbers are same. If the two numbers are same means what we have to place? Equals to symbol. Okay, if the two numbers are same, we have to place equals to symbol. Okay, is it clear everyone, children? Once again I am explaining, this is less than, greater than, equals to. Okay, and here we compared 5 and 7. 5 is smaller number than 7. So 5 is smaller, no. You have to place less than. And 7 and 5. 7 is bigger, no children. Here you have to place greater than. And the third one, 6 and 6. Both numbers are same. Here 6 and here also 6. So say two numbers are same is what we have to place? Equals to symbol. Okay children. So once everyone write these three symbols on your book, and once you have to practice children which is less than and which is greater than and which is equals to. Okay. So in the next class we will learn more about comparing numbers. Okay, this is about today's class children. Thank you. Have a nice day.